Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Omnis pudding mechanical keyboard. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. In the beginning, make sure that this keyboard is connected with PC via USB cable because it's not wireless. To connect it, take a look at the bottom of your keyboard. Let me just remove the palm rest for a second. And right here we've got the USB port. You can hide the USB cable out here. Firstly, let's connect the USB-C cable. It only goes in one way. Once it's connected, you can hide the cable in the tunnel. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.